This is the ferry terminal in Siargao city. You need to come here to go to Siargao Islands. It is also called pier. This is the boat going to Siargao Island. Travel time is around 2 to 3 hours depending on the speed of the ferry. Finally, I am in Siargao Island and I am in one of the most visited place, Cloud 9. I will tour around, I will see how beautiful it is. There is 50 peso entrance fee. Yeah, let's continue walking. It looks nice. The weather is good. It was raining 15 minutes ago, now the weather is okay. This place is called Cloud 9 surfing area. So here we will be watching the people who are surfing on the ocean waves. So many surfing boards. So many surfing boards here. I am now at the top of the watching tower, but unfortunately there is no people surfing. Since there was no surfer, I asked why there is no surfer. They said it is low tide now. In the morning I should come here. In the morning I will come back here again. It will be high tide, so hopefully I will see some surfers. Wow, look at the beauty of that road. Most roads are like that, full of coconut trees and mango trees as well. And this is the motorbike that I rented. I am paying 350 peso per day for this motorbike. Ta-da! Yes, finally I am here in Coconut Tree Plantation area in Siargao Island. I was watching this view from the photos in internet, in Facebook, and finally I am here myself. It is really amazing. Look at this. And let me show you this beauty with my drone. And finally, I am in another nice place in Siargao Island, Coconut Selfie Road. It's amazing. This road is called Coconut Selfie Road. The view is amazing too in this place. Just few hundred meters away after Coconut Selfie Road, you will come to Maasin Bridge and Maasin River. In this river, there is the most famous coconut tree in Philippines. But for this Maasin River and this coconut tree, I have made another video and it is in my YouTube channel already. Please kindly watch it. After this video, you will love it. After Maasin River, if you drive 20-25 minutes, you will come to Tayangban Cave and Pool. Entrance fee is 150 peso, but I didn't take it because you will get wet inside the cave. So instead I will go to another place. In Siargao Island there is another beach called Magpupunko, but unfortunately it was closed. This is the person in charge. She says it will be open in March 5. March 5. Okay. This way is going to Magpupunko beach, but unfortunately it was closed. This guy says restaurant is open. What will I do in the restaurant?
Now open is restaurant.
Okay. Magpupunko beach was closed to the people, but not closed to the drones. Let's have a look. And there is a homestay here. They ask 1,000 for each day, but this location is beautiful. Look at this. This homestay is 1,000 peso per day if you bargain, and look at its location. It has an amazing view. This beach, they say it is called Caridat Beach. It is beautiful too. The people living here is very lucky, in fact. I am very jealous. Look at this, it is really beautiful. Just before Pacific Beach. I am now in another beach which is called Pacific Beach. This is a surfing area actually. Let's go inside. The houses are really interesting. They are on the water. Look at this. People is living in the houses like that. Oh my god. After visiting those places, next day I took a boat tour to see the famous Sukba Lagoon. Can I take your video? Yeah. Okay, nice. I was amazed how beautiful Sukba Lagoon was. So I made a separate full Sukba Lagoon video, and it is already in my YouTube channel. You will love Sukba Lagoon if you watch the video just after this video. After Sukba Lagoon, I have visited Kavhagan Island and Kavhagan Beach. I have a full aerial video of this Kavhagan Island in my YouTube channel too. This is Kavhagan Beach, and it is also amazing. Look at that view, it's just amazing. This is Kavhagan Island, it's just amazing. Look at this, it's beautiful again. Hi everyone, it's beautiful. There is so much to see in Siargao Island, especially if you rent a motorbike and tour around in the island yourself. But you need to stay at least 4 or 5 days. Especially if you have a girlfriend, you can even stay 1 week and enjoy the island. My drone fell down to a lake water and I got demoralized, and I finished my Siargao Island holiday in 3 days. And this 3 days was not enough to discover all island. There is a sunset bridge again in Siargao Island, and you can take beautiful sunrise and sunset videos and time-lapse videos over that bridge. Here is some of my time-lapse videos I took over Sunset Bridge.
I really like Siargao Island, but I need to finish my video here. I didn't finish some of the places like Lake Island because of a problem in my drone. I will go there some other time because I will come back to Siargao Island next time in future. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share your comments with me in the comment section down below. Until we see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.